Welcome to Tech Help Canada, where businesses come to support their growth. Today we're discussing a hot topic for aspiring entrepreneurs: 7 ways to make passive income on Amazon. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a substantial revenue stream, Amazon offers a variety of opportunities. Before we get into the methods, it's important to note that passive income on Amazon isn't completely hands-off. You still need to manage certain tasks, such as handling shipping, publishing content, or managing customer service. For instance, if you publish a book on Kindle Direct Publishing, you'll need to promote it and manage any revisions. If you're selling products via fulfillment by Amazon, you need to ensure your inventory is stocked and track your sales performance. Passive income requires some initial setup and ongoing management to keep things running smoothly. First up, Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. This platform allows authors to self-publish their books and reach a global audience. Benefits include global reach, control and flexibility, earning up to 70% royalties on sales, and access to promotional tools like Kindle Countdown deals and free book promotions. To get started, create a KDP account, prepare your manuscript and cover, upload your book details, set your pricing, and publish and promote your book. Next, we have Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA. This service allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's fulfillment centers. When a customer makes a purchase, Amazon picks, packs, and ships the item on your behalf. The benefits of FBA include storage and shipping handled by Amazon, Prime eligibility for your products, customer service management, and global reach. The Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates, lets you earn commissions by promoting Amazon products on your website or social media. Benefits include earning commissions on qualifying purchases, easy integration of affiliate links into your content, a wide product selection to promote, and tools for tracking and optimizing your performance. Merch by Amazon is a platform for creative entrepreneurs to design and sell custom apparel without worrying about inventory or shipping. With Merch by Amazon, you can focus on creating unique designs, while Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. This platform offers royalties on each sale and scalability to expand your product line and reach more customers. Amazon Handmade is perfect for artisans who craft unique handmade goods. List your creations and let Amazon handle the logistics. Benefits include logistical support from Amazon, access to Amazon's extensive customer base, and continuous sales generating passive income from your handmade products. Self-publishing audiobooks through Amazon's Audible platform allows you to convert written content into audio format, tapping into the audiobook market. Benefits include earning additional revenue from audiobook sales and reaching a different audience that prefers audio content. Finally, Amazon dropshipping lets you sell products without holding inventory. Steps to start include choosing a niche and finding reliable suppliers, creating an Amazon seller account, listing products with detailed descriptions and images, optimizing listings for visibility, fulfilling orders through your suppliers, providing excellent customer service, and monitoring and adjusting your strategy based on performance. To increase your chances of success, remember to choose a niche, ensure high quality, and market your products effectively. Each of these methods offers a unique way to generate passive income on Amazon, so find the best fit for your skills and interests. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Help Canada. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tips on building your business and creating passive income streams. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing beyond your limits.